So, you know how they say the best way to explore a place is on foot?
Yeah?
Well, I think I've found an even better way.
Oh, what's that?
Cycling across Europe. Have you heard of Eurovelo? It's the ultimate European adventure on 2 wheels.
Really? That sounds incredible. Tell me more.
Well, imagine pedaling along sparkling coastlines, through majestic mountains, and along ancient trade routes. Eurovelo makes all that possible with its extensive network.
How big is this network?
It's made up of 17 major routes, each with unique and fascinating features.
17?
Yeah,
That's massive.
It's like a giant jigsaw connecting all of Europe.
That's amazing. Any routes you'd recommend?
Definitely. There's the Via Romea Francigena, EV5. It retraces the steps of pilgrims heading to Rome, perfect for those into history and spirituality.
Sounds right up my alley. When's the best time to go?
Spring and autumn are ideal.
Good to know.
You'll experience mixed terrains and quaint medieval villages.
That sounds enchanting. What kind of bike would I need?
A trekking or gravel bike works best.
Makes sense.
And don't forget essentials like a helmet, gloves, repair kit, and so on.
Absolutely. How about the Ciclovia del Sole?
EV7. It's an adventure from the Alps to the Mediterranean. If you love varied landscapes and long distances, this one's for you.
That's exciting. Best time to tackle that route?
Summer is ideal, but pack for variable climates.
Definitely. And the Ciclovia del Mediterraneo?
EV8 lets you ride along the Mediterranean coast, ideal for sea lovers and fans of mild weather.
Perfect for me. So many options. Any planning tips?
Yeah. Using apps like Komoot, Strava, or even Google Maps can help plan routes, find accommodations, and points of interest.
Great advice. Equipment-wise, anything special?
Adapt your gear to your route. Essentials like a helmet, technical clothing, repair kit, and a good map are crucial.
Absolutely. Safety must be a priority too, right?
Definitely. Respect road rules, stay alert, and knowing some basic bike repairs can be a lifesaver.
Good point. Do you think getting insurance is necessary?
I do. Cycle tourism insurance is a smart safety net.
Agreed. Nutrition, what should I consider?
Bring energy-rich foods and stay hydrated. Energy bars, dried fruits, sandwiches, and isotonic drinks are great.
Sounds good. Any tips on carrying all this?
Choose luggage that suits your bike and trip. There's frame bags, handlebar bags, or cycling backpacks.
Makes sense. Are there other apps you'd recommend?
Yes. Besides Komoot and Strava, there are apps for finding accommodations, points of interest, and connecting with fellow cyclists.
I'll check those out. And we should be mindful of the environment, right?
Absolutely. Leave no trace, respect nature. After all, we're guests in these landscapes.
Well said. You know, planning all this seems a bit overwhelming.
I get that feeling, but think of it as part of the adventure.
True.
With the right resources, it's totally doable.
So why choose Eurovelo over other travel methods?
Well, beyond the health benefits, heart health, muscle strength, mood boost, it's about sustainability and experiencing cultures up close. Plus, it's an unforgettable adventure.
So it's a win-win all around.
Exactly. It's like no other experience.
You've convinced me. Time to pick a route and start planning.
Yes, Eurovelo is waiting. Ready for the journey of a lifetime?
Let's do it.